Hi everyone! Today, in this video, we'll learn how to count in Burmese from 0 to 99. We'll first go over how to say 0 to 9, then we'll learn how to say 10 to 99, and finally, we'll have a short quiz at the end. Now let's get started. First, 0 to 9.
Tàu nhá, tàu nhá, tàu nhá. Đĩa, đĩa, đĩa. Nè, 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 nè. Tổ, 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 tổ. Lễ, 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 lễ. Ngã, 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 ngã. Cháo, 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 cháo. Connect, 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 connect. Shit, 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 shit. Go, 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 go.
Let's go through each number one more time.
Tàu nhá, đĩa, nè, tổ, lễ, ngã, cháo, connect, shit, go.
Now let's learn how to count from 10 to 99. Burmese numbers follow a simple pattern based on tens. Instead of new words like 30 or 40 in English, in Burmese you just say 3, 10, 4, 10, and so on. Let's take a closer look. Follow this pattern. Say the number of tens, followed by the word
Sẽ,
which is 10 in Burmese, and then say the number of ones. Here are some examples. 10 would be 1, 10, so
để sẽ, để sẽ.
notice since there is a 0 in the ones place for the number 10, you simply omit saying 0. Let's take a look at another number. 23 would be 2, 10, 3, so
Nó sẽ tổ, nó sẽ tổ.
the special case is for 11 to 19. Instead of starting with the multiple of 10, it is common for people to just start with the word 10 followed by the number of ones. For example, 11 is 10, 1, 12 is 10, 2, 13 is 10, 3, and so on. Great, now that you know the pattern for 10 to 99, let's start counting.
Để sẽ, để sẽ. Sát đĩa, sát đĩa. Sát nè, sát nè. Sát tổ, sát tổ. Sát lễ, sát lễ. Sát ngã, sát ngã. Sát chạo, sát chạo. Sát khổ, sát khổ. Sát shit, sát shit. Sát cô, sát cô. Nó sẽ, nó sẽ. Nó sẽ đĩa, nó sẽ đĩa. Nó sẽ nè, nó sẽ nè. Nó sẽ tổ, nó sẽ tổ. Nó sẽ lý, nó sẽ lý. Nó sẽ ngã, nó sẽ ngã. Nó sẽ chảo, nó sẽ chảo. Nó sẽ khổ, nó sẽ khổ. Nó sẽ shit, nó sẽ shit. Nó sẽ cố, nó sẽ cố. Tổng sẽ, tổng sẽ.
Let's continue with multiples of 10 from 40 to 90.
Lý sẽ, lý sẽ. Ngã sẽ, ngã sẽ. Chào sẽ, chào sẽ. Connect sẽ, connect sẽ. Shit sẽ, 80 90 90
Great! Now that we know how to count from 0 to 99, it's time for a quick quiz. How do you say 0?
Tonya
How do you say 5?
Nga
How do you say 10?
Dese
How do you say 16?
Sasha
Last, how do you say 23?
Nasato
Great job! Keep learning, and you'll master Burmese numbers in no time. That wraps up our lesson on numbers 0 to 99 in Burmese. In the next video, we'll learn how to count in the hundreds. See you then!